Friday, the 26th of September, 2025. Dalton, Georgia, US Highway 41, Georgia Highway, 13. We're headed north out of Dalton, Georgia. We bypassed Dalton. Yeah, Georgia 3, US 76. If I'm not mistaken, we have US 76 all the way from Chattanooga over to South Carolina. We're going to stop up here at the Burger Den and get us a burger. This is where we stopped when our alternator went out last time we were up here. Ended up swapping this alternator out in the AutoZone parking lot Saturday afternoon. And here we are back at the railroad track. We got some people walking the tracks. Civil War battle up the hill to the left, Georgia State Patrol office right there. We're on our way to the marker where the great locomotive chase ended. Georgia Highway 151. We haven't been there before. We've wondered where it was, but we've never even looked for it. I don't know why. We just hadn't. You would think we would have as much as we've been up here. Okay, Burger Den. Here we are. They have good burgers. Pull right up here. We'll go in and make our order, and then we'll come out, eat, and then we'll go on our way. Okay, we've just come out of the Burger Den. The burger and fries were very good. $8 and something for the combo, fry, burger, drink. Called the Big Burger. There's the Dalton police. Map says we are 21 minutes away from the great locomotive chase marker. As we get into RingGold, we'll turn right at the railroad track. Georgia 151. I may have said Georgia 51, but it's Georgia 151. We're just going by memory now. It shouldn't be too complicated. Is where the Atlanta campaign began, spring 1864. one to the left goes through Villanelle. We could end up going back that way. I just don't know what we're going to end up doing yet. It is 12:15. If we went that way, we'd go back through Rome. I think we may just head straight back down 75 though. What's the temperature? We'll be coming up on Tunnel Hill pretty quick. Degrees. Dalton, Tunnel Hill, Georgia. It's supposed to get up to about 80. It might down in Ackworth, but up here was gotten clouded over. I don't know that it will. A Jeep for sale. Look at these little duplexes. Interesting. Stay at my daughter's again next week and venture out up into the mountains, through the Smokies a little bit, and spend a couple nights up in the mountains. Tunnel Hill, city limits. We have video and pictures of Tunnel Hill, so we're not going to cut over there today unless we do it on the way back. Over the railroad, we'll probably cross back. I guess we'll cross back. Well, no, we'll be on this eastern side when we go up to the monument. Varnell. There was something out Varnell. Maybe it's up through Tunnel Hill that way. That we go to the jumping off point, or the starting of the Atlanta campaign. RingGold 8. Old Dixie Highway, US 41 north. I shared a good history of Old Dixie Highway on Facebook the other day, a couple of weeks ago. It was real neat segment on it. There's one for sale. Looks like a pretty nice Blazer. Was back there further, but okay, 201 I think is where it'll go out to the site of where the Atlanta campaign started. There's a marker out there where they were camped, and then Catoosa city line. We just crossed. It says a city line or county line. I bet it said county line. Got a couple of dogs running loose in the road. Y'all better get on home. Playing in the road, you're going to end up in the road. Be two flat doggies. By owner. Haven't been to Ruby Falls, but I think one time. That's when I was a little kid. These buildings here were here in the 50s. Before 75, this was a major thoroughfare back and forth, north and south. Okay, coming up on 75 again. To the right, north to the left. Looks like 75 south is pretty crowded today. West 76. RingGold 3. Get in some rain up here. cemetery up here on the right, we need to check out at some point. Reading on the camera, I don't understand. But anyway, there's a little camper for sale. RingGold city limits. Should be another Civil War history marker up here on the left. A lot of Civil War activity up here. Nice looking old Ford. Man. A couple of them. We're going to stop this up here, and then we'll start it again. So we'll have a shorter version going to the monument. RingGold Gap historical site here on the left. This is a low bridge, 11.7. We're going to take this truck route. We need to connect with Georgia 151. We could go straight on through. But this way we're already on this side of the tracks. Okay, let's stop this one and start it again.